latino ka kwa an gino wa mi ano kelo ga ya ka no pere tie mi ana e pe de ga pe ta ta mi ana te nia latino ka kwa latino ka kwa berong dia oro bero pe ge nywa ro ten latino ka kwa Chua tamil mo na chua ko biro ki tamil mo ba guang ka daw te bine choron guang no la tenne pean po bule choron pe po na la tenne
da ro pa nyala tuoli te do me bola tena me ko matina ni pe da nyala ba do busen la ya ji da
be de twal luak ma wono neno way Lakwed TV an la didi ben tiene da gadugo kona tega teto botu kwana mapemit man yen mautime ki Lacor Santa Lacor matie Gulu City kapero makilwane Obiya
nen chalo kere ke tawo nana ka obela tena voki
atawne bena pia ta kongwa winy ke bodla mego ma en uno latene ikarmano eno chero kayoke.
In the evening at around 6 I was coming to ease myself. So I came and like I saw something like it is unusual for you to see something wrapped and so I came closer. I decided to take a closer look. Then I saw that it was a baby. So at first I was so shocked. I tried to look around. I thought that maybe someone had put the baby there and maybe they're trying to collect some firewood or they're doing something or they're easing themselves. But then I realized there is no one.
Cry, big calm, okay? The baby is not dead.
I sure that baby is not dead.
The baby is not dead. You come and I show you. The baby is not dead. Pota, Timakwa.
I got so scared, so I ran back home the other side. They came, they checked, they saw that the baby was still alive and it was a baby girl.
Latiene beru abuki wero latini ki yat mano la entiga mine bo latini maikin yara rioni yat me chiel ti yat me lim dog tien lokini latini bere no gwak petiga chama be kidong yat me rio ti yat ma meru remo kom latin
Latini timo wa kero to yat kany yat Lacor hospital chief udong wa wero kwone te cheng daktari makany bat chunyo yom ni ma olugiti yele me gwa ko operatin wa ko ben mabe
madong kiter latin ker oriat me chiel pe mo beritie ene ni nying latin ber pe ngeyo umio luak ma no gitiga kenyo ene dong gutute kimi nying latin
Kichak nye kijabe. En la tienda Kinongo.
ni ke jabe
Yin ko kichak nye.
yes yeah nye me parwa okay wa foi mata lagum Kisabe lagum me parwa wa maro nagraj is
Gum come ken baro ba chwe kere ya nyaga ne wa tin ro ba ti ga war wa tin no la ten ma
Lutua kiki diko meni andwe piari wa ngwen an machala Lakwed agware chair board administration me ariat wa chair wa no la dit maloy wi ariat kayano chwalwa ka kamarwate chair wa no lok ben ki board doctor
I must say the baby is in a fairly good condition. From our prediction, we think the baby might be about 2 or so weeks old and was definitely born before time for a preterm baby with low birth weight. The weight this morning we took is 1,130 grams, which is quite low. The temperature is good. The blood sugar is a bit low because it seems the baby has not fed for quite some time. So for now, as we try to look for alternative ways of feeding, we are going to give some intravenous solution that has some sugars and some salts. We are trying to keep the baby warm, so it's under a warmer. We also decided to put the baby on some treatment with certain antibiotics because we don't know for how long this baby was on the phone. The breathing is not very good, so we're also giving some medication to try and stabilize the breathing. And then the other thing is because we don't know the circumstances around the birth, we don't know the status of the mother, we also want to do an HIV test for the baby as soon as possible so that in case there's anything that we can do differently, we start doing that as soon as possible. So for now, that is where we are. As the authorities try to figure out who the real mother is and the circumstances surrounding the abandonment, we are going to continue doing what we can do. We're going to provide both the medical as well as the other side of the care, including the nutrition, as we wait. We're trying to get in touch with the organization Lab+1 as well to see if they can help us with some formula feeds. Because for now, this is a baby who should be breastfeeding, but the mother is not here. So we need to find a way of making sure the baby is feeding. So basically, that is the short story about the state right now. Okay.
Ya yom ne abilu ko karlo kene ge mapera ter ar ya banu karlo kene ge mapera ter ma gubir giti kana ket ma yot kom la yente kere
Bola tien kan.
Gipiro ya, ka mo ni kan.
Like here.
They get money. Chak di toran maka cara ngarati agi toran ka sana te bian na. Ruang na. Mapea ta ke wala ko pele teni. Wa kir to ya la cho